Hello, we're Group 3 from RC16 and our project is a self-sustaining organism named eco-automata. The selected site for the development is Karelia, an area in northern Europe. Karelia is rich in natural resources, especially freshwater resource and forest resource. Therefore, in the former Soviet Union time, there were many villages and towns mainly engaged in logging. However, with the disintegration of the Soviet Union and the development of the mechanization, the logging industry has gradually declined. The population lost and the village lost its vitality. With the decline and abandonment of these villages, the local economy is also affected. The infrastructure is difficult to support, and the life of the local people is also affected. Based on this narrative, we are trying to get more information about the site from the Earth engine data, which was gathered by the satellite. From the spatial informatic maps, we found that water distribution, forestry coverage, human intervention, the three components have a great impact on the site. So we gathered maps related with the three components as input, and with the help of the Stelgan technique, we generated the Karelia under the impact of water, vegetation, and human.
A new type of small-scale development is proposed, where water is used for farming and energy production, vegetation will provide materials, and humans will ensure the process is sustainable. These components create a cell which can adapt, reproduce, and evolve according to its context, mimicking the behavior of a living organism. First, an initial resource network is created between humans and their closest water supply. The second network is created by analyzing the forest to find ideal locations for logging and reforesting. By extrapolating this information, cells are created. Machine learning allows for a visualization of the cell's area of influence and their evolution through time. Water, vegetation, and land information is extracted from and processed by an algorithm, which converts it to a point cloud visualization. Several iterations of this process allow for detailed results, which are then converted to voxel maps. The voxelized morphology is converted into a topographic model by a process of color height mapping and erosion simulation.
In order to develop a detailed design intention, we select one area of 5 km by 5 km, which can represent the cells. Several kinds of landscape features was extracted to help us understand the site. A scenario of cell was formed by machine learning. Different combination of water, forest, and land can be seen in this video. Point clouds showing those three different main components can be generated by analyzing the video in different iterations. We chose the point cloud on the bottom left and zoom into the area of 250 by 250 meters. Dividing those points into two clusters by colors, which is the landscape points and human construction points. Different method was used to dispose the points. We introduced the voxelized landscape and the triangular wood structure. The generated wood structure is a possible place that can be constructed and will be built using selected trunks in the area. After overlaying the wood structure and the landscape, the eco-cell was generated. We select one part of the wood structure and using aggregation with units to generate a more detailed structure. This kind of structure can be built by the machine. This new type of habitat will use high-end technology in symbiosis with nature, generating resources and regenerating the landscape, as well as a new type of relationship between humans and their environment.